Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 21, where we delve into the crucial topic of date-time handling. Understanding how to manage and manipulate dates and times is essential for anyone working with real-world data, especially time series analysis. Our hook for today: time series analysis becomes incredibly easy when you master the MATLAB Datetime object. The Datetime object in MATLAB is your key to efficiently working with dates and times, offering robust functionalities for time-based data. Let's start with how to create these powerful datetime objects in MATLAB. You can create a specific datetime using the format datetime YYYY-MNDD. This is the foundation for creating precise time points. To move forward or backward in time, you can add duration components like days n to your datetime object. Now, let's see these concepts in action with a live demonstration. We are creating a series of dates starting from February 24th, 2026, and extending for 5 days using t equals datetime, the 24th of February 2026, plus days 1 to 5. Finally, we plot this time series data using t rand 5 1, visually representing data points across a time axis. That wraps up our core lesson on datetime handling in MATLAB. Remember, this skill is vital for tackling real-world data challenges and is the perfect foundation for your next time series project. Keep practicing these techniques, and you'll be ready for advanced time series analysis in no time. See you in the next lesson.